Well, as you can see, I've got this device in. How I've done it is I've struggled. Whoops. I've had to heat up the tags here, 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 and then I've had to lever those tags over to get the new part in, and I've had to make sure that I've got this and this part tucked in underneath the door card, because I don't want to assemble it up and then have to pull it down again because it's not flush. So it's now flush. Now what I've got to do is I've got to heat all the tags up again and remelt them. The other thing I've had to do is I've had to take this horrid cheap little clip off from the old unit and put it in on the new unit, because the buggers decided it was too expensive to put a new tag on. So I've had to reuse that one, and you have to be very careful that you don't break the tag. So I'll see you in a little while, and I'm just going to start heating everything up again.